Hi, welcome to All Brands. My name is Courtney Douthat. I have something pretty cool to show you. I actually got my hands on the new Brother Printmoda fabric printer. You heard me correct. Fabric printer. There's no more now scouring the internet, going into all the quilt shops, searching for this particular fabric that we have in our head, but we can't quite find it. Brother's now made a fabric printer that we can now be the person creating the fabric. We are now the designer to create. So I thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing of the brand new one so you see exactly what is in the box and what comes with it. Alrighty, so I have her down here on the floor because it is a very heavy printer. And oh my goodness! Don't worry, these are not my fabric scissors. This is cool. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, so just out of the box, they do have the cartridges in there, perfectly laid out, so you'll see exactly where your blue cartridge is, where your red cartridge is, and where your black, and so forth. Oh my goodness, it's so perfectly packaged, I'm kind of scared to open it. I mean, not scared enough not to do it, but it is nicely in there. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and take this out. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Okay. In the first bag, we have the product safety guide, which I'm sure is very important to read. We'll put that over there. Let's see. All right. Oh, it's this. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to be good about packaging everything. Your warranty information, very nice to have. Quick reference guide for this particular printer, which again is the HLJF1. Okay. Oh, let's see. Thank you so much for this purchase. Alright, so we have a quick reference guide, some other information about warranties. Oh, this is exciting. The project and idea book. Oh my goodness, and we'll look at this up close. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm excited. Alright, so I'm pulling all this here. We will go in depth in that. Alright, so we have the black cartridge, the yellow cartridge, and I love that things are color coded. They make my heart happy. The blue and the red. So they do come in the box. You don't have to buy them separately, just the replacement separately. So those come in the box, and I love how nicely this is packaged, so that way I know that it's not going to get damaged in transport. I think I know what this is. All right, this right here is our fabric that we are going to get to print on. Oh my gosh. Again, everything is super nicely packaged, and I appreciate that. There it is. Oh, it's exciting! Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. All right. Now, she is heavy because she is a heavy-duty girl, so I'm actually gonna get some help to get her on my table. Okay, I had to get someone to come in. Do you see how big this thing is? Oh, this is cool. Okay, so I had to get someone to come help me put it on the table because, you know, not a lot of upper body strength. So if you're alone, get it. This is a team exercise. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Half of it is just peeling off the new tape of everything. Like, oh, this is cool. Now keep all your packaging just in case. I always say keep it. All right. Oh my goodness. Now see the blue up here. Alright, see? And there's no sneaky blue somewhere else. Like, you'll see all the little blue tape. I appreciate them doing it in blue, so that way I can see it very easily. Now there's also one of these in the back. They just pop out with the blue tape, nothing crazy. Exciting! Oh, it's exciting. And of course the cord is connected. So if you're looking for the cord, it's already connected. It's very solid made. I will give them, oh, that's cool. You can move that if you want to see the screen, like up close, depending on where you have it stored. The tray to put the fabric or the paper. That's cool. Okay, I'm loving it. Oh, and everything's numbered. That's super duper helpful. And look, I haven't even looked at the manual yet. I'm just kind of pulling things open, looking around, and I'm already figuring things out. Like, it's very user friendly. I will say that. Very much appreciate that. Like, you can tell where the on button is. You can tell where the slots are to put your colors, magenta, you know, yellow, black. I know that cerulean, I think is the other one. I call it blue, but I know there is correct words to it. How cool is that? So it just has a little icon, you just go boop. That is super handy. I like that it's right here. So what if I'm working over here or up here and I run out of colors, it's just right here. Just boop and change out my colors. I appreciate that. That is actually really cool. Oh, okay. So this just clicks down and this is where you can put more paper. This is so cool. Okay, I'm fully on geek out train. All right, so now that we've gotten that, so cool. This is so cool. Okay, so the project booklet is very cool. I was kind of flipping through this while they were putting this on my table. It took them a second. It took one person that had more muscles than I did. So the project booklet is really cool because it gives you examples of different things to do, but also how to set it up. So I actually really like this. It's connection method, and it tells you how to connect it to your embroidery machine, your cutting machine, anything like that. That is super cool. And another great thing that while I was reading this that I didn't even realize, I don't know why in my head I thought it was just fabric. No, this can print on paper too. So if you wanted to make large banners for like birthday parties, you can do that on this. If you want to do fabric, and that's neat because then you have cohesive collections. So you could print on fabric to do birthday shirts and like custom appliques and stuff. But then you could flip it, do it on a birthday banner, and then they match. So it looks like a collection. I'm going on tangent. I've already written down projects that I will be doing. How as cool as this, they did a little wall hanging with the family's photos. That is really cool. I appreciate this kind of stuff. I mean, it walks you through it of how to do it. That is really cool. Oh, the banner, the happy birthday banner. Yep, they walk you through how to do that too. That is so cool. I love it. Custom fabric. Okay, they really thought of everything with that one. So I like that, and it's in color. Love a good printed book. All right, let's see. Now, this does list in your reference guide every little thing that should be coming in it. So they will tell you all of these, the fabric roll, which I think fell. The fabric roll. Wait, they have instructional videos. They have QR codes in the book that you can scan with your phone to get instruction videos. Refer to the video below of how to attach the water-soluble stabilizer and laminate sheets. Wait, you can do water-soluble stabilizer? When affixing the laminating sheet. Wait, what? When attaching water-soluble stabilizer to printed fabric? Wait, what? Oh my goodness, I didn't even know you could do half of this. That's really cool that they included the videos because I'm a visual learner. Again, it's why we do these YouTube videos. I'm a visual learner, so I appreciate the videos. That is super duper cool. Super cool. All right, so let's go ahead. I mean, we've looked at her. We've messed with her a bit. So let's go ahead and look at these. I think we should put one in. Oh, it feels so crazy. You can feel the ink in there. Okay. It's in. Oh my God. That was so easy. Okay, I'm doing the rest of them. That was cool. That was super cool. Okay. Oh my God. I don't know why I would assume it would be hard. I don't know why. I think I got intimidated, but super easy. Okay, the next one's yellow. So there is, let me see if I can get it on camera. There's this little slot. You can see it's a little opening, and you can tell there's one in there. So you just want to connect those. So it's the chubby way. This way. I like how I'm doing a tutorial like I've ever done this before. I am 100% cool. Oh, look, the black one's a little bit bigger because you mostly would use black. That is very helpful. I appreciate that. Okay, what's the next one? Blue? I was just gonna open this up, but I can't help myself. This is so easy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay. Here's the red. Oh, that's cool looking. Or I'm sorry, magenta. They're in. How quick and easy was that? And then boom, it's ready with its colors. Okay, so we've got the ink in there. I want to unbox. Ooh, it's kind of like this fabric roll. So the roll that comes with it, according to the reference guide, it is a 100% cotton broadcloth. That is what comes with it. There you go. Oh, that feels nice. That's good quality. Fabric, I thought it would go in this way, but it actually goes in this way because it wants it to slot under here and goes under. This is not a tutorial video because I'm just getting, oh my God, that was so easy. All I did was twist it. And look, it's already under there. That is so cool. That was so easy. Oh my God, yeah, look, and now it's ready. Oh, I should probably take off more of the tape. I should probably take off more tape. That is so cool. So I'm gonna take this out so I can take off the rest of the tape on it. Oh wow, that is so easy. So this one is how to do paper. This one is how to do the fabric roll. Very, very cool. Look at that, see media printed video. See roll media printing video. And you go over that QR code with your phone and it's gonna show you a video of how to do this. That is amazing. Look, more QR codes. They're very QR code excited for this, which I like because I am a visual person, so I would like to see how it's actually done. So that is really, really great. I really like this. Let's turn it on. This took no time at all to print, and this was so great. Oh my goodness. I am not a tech-savvy person. I do not consider myself a tech-savvy person, and I just set this up within a handful of minutes, honestly, without really reading this very much. But you should read this. Do as I say, not as I do. Okay, so I am reading the instruction after I messed with things. I am reading it, and it does say to shake the black ink 10 times before putting it in. You don't have to do it to the colored ones, but do it to that one. I don't know what the difference may be because it's bigger. Not sure. But that is something that it says. So I will have to pull it out and do that. Oh my gosh. I love this because, again, step by step and it's showing every single one with pictures, and I love pictures. Now that we've seen this fabric, the ink comes with it. But you can, of course, buy ink separately. This is what it's going to look like when you buy them separately. So I'm gonna get all the different ones. And I like that they color coded it. So that way if you know, okay, I'm out of my black, well, this is the one that you need to get. And it has what the printer is. So the HLJF1 printer is on the packaging. So you know you're getting the right one for your right printer. So they've got all the different ones. And again, I appreciate the color coding of it all. See, there's the magenta. And then, of course, they do sell the fabric rolls just like this in the box separately. And I can go ahead and open this one up. I'm just curious. Oh, wait a second. It's a bigger roll. Oh, so the ones that you buy separately. That is so cool. It's a bigger roll. So let's see. Yeah, this one came with it. This is the one that you can buy separately. That is very cool. I like that. So if you want more of this and you like it, there you go. That is so cool. So it just comes in a big roll. It's gonna look like that. Very, very, very cool. I love this. I'm gonna keep it in there because I don't need it yet because I still have my roll. But I appreciate that. Same with these guys. They're gonna go into my drawer. That way, whenever I do need them, I have them available. And I've looked at these. They look exactly the same as the ones that we just put into our machine. How cool. So guys, let me know if you're excited about the Brother Printmoda fabric printer. Like, this is cool. I'm very excited. I have so many ideas of all the things that we could do. So let me know down in the comments how excited you are, and we will definitely do some more videos on this. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, because it's the easiest way to let us know that you want more of these videos. And y'all have a good night. I'm gonna play with this. Bye.